beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Krystal the Gypsy and I love to travel and I love to smoke, so this is a 420 safe space. I travel wherever the wind blows me and the smoke takes me, so things will get interesting. If traveling, seeing new places, and smoking weed interests you, then hit that subscribe button because I'm here for you weekly, sometimes more, and subscribing is completely free. Thanks for watching. Hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Tell your friends. Now get those joints up, blunts out, and let's go have a good time. Welcome to Nevada! We've made it to the Hoover Dam, y'all. Driving here was a trip, I'll tell you that much. It was interesting, to say the least. And right now we're at the Hoover Dam sunny Arizona side. And Ronnie's like, I'm scared of heights, babe. So we'll see how he fares out, and it's windy, so he's scared he's gonna lose his hat. So we'll see how this goes. So on the Arizona side, we parked up there on the hill there, and you have to walk down. You can park on the Nevada side, but there's usually never parking there's not usually parking over there. And I think it's $10 to park over here, actually. Yeah, but on the Nevada side, there's usually not any parking. So we parked on the Arizona side so we could park and walk over. He's so scared. He's walking like 3PO. Wow, this place is so big. Hold your hand, dear. Ronnie doesn't like heights, so he's on the inside of the... You okay? Wow, you can see how low the water's gotten though. See that difference in color of the rocks? That's where the water line used to be. All along the wall they have these things. Danger, keep off the wall. Wonder how many people... Yeah, you don't have to tell me twice, but I guess there are people that would probably sit up here or stand up here and then fall. Wow. It looks... Wow. Look, you can see people on boats out there. Because doesn't this connect to, I think, Lake Mead? Wow. As soon as we got to the opening, where the bridge and everything, it opens up, started to get real windy, real quick. I lost Ronnie. He's on Arizona time. There he is. Come on! Oh my goodness. What is that down there? And look, now we're on the Nevada side. I think if you want tours and stuff, and like you want to look at the exhibits, you can go in that building there. So we're crossing over. Ronnie's over here teasing me, we're doing some crazy white people stuff. Whoa. Wow. Oh man, my not my vertigo, but just my equilibrium is standing here, and I'm at one of the little areas that juts out, and it's quite something to behold, to be standing in. Oh my gosh, like, this is an amazing piece of engineering, and it's quite terrifying. You probably wouldn't enjoy standing right there, because it was messing with my like equilibrium, but it's still something very beautiful to witness and to see. So the Hoover Dam, for those that don't know their American history, the Hoover Dam was named in honor of Herbert Clark Hoover, 31st President of the United States. Not J. Edgar Hoover, the guy who started the FBI. Bureau of Reclamation, Boulder Canyon Project, construction contractors, 6 companies. So it lists all the companies. Those are the board of the directors. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it just gives you a little bit of history. And this definitely gives you like 1930s style vibes of how everything looks, like 1931 to 1935. See Hoover Dam over there? Great Depression. The exhibits building. So we walked from over that side on, you know, that side of the road, and now we're on this side. Oh wow. This is breathtaking. Well, they do have, okay, so they do have tours. You get to see the inner workings of the dam, explore the Hoover Dam's exhibit galleries, and enjoy dramatic views from the observation deck. Oh, I bet you that'd be cool. That would be super cool. I finally got Ronnie away from the road, but there's a wall there, so he's like, I'm okay. You're okay? Okay. Let's keep walking then so we can get back to the car. Yeah, see, now we're at the out of the uncovered part, and it's sunny, sunny, sunny. Took off. He's like, I'm ready to go. Wait for me. Ronnie's bolting again. We walked back from the Hoover Dam and there's this big hole. That looks insane. So you can park in the garage. It's $10 and they have a couple of levels, but it's $10 to park, so get your money's worth. But they do have a food court and a gift shop. So that's where we're headed now. Huh. Alright, so I came for the souvenir shop and the gift shop. But I also, on the way over here, I saw that this like statue of this guy climbing. Bet you this is an homage to the builders of this engineering marvel. Heroes of Hoover. The building of the Hoover Dam was a ray of hope for a nation struggling with hard times. Newsreel images of high scales who worked the canyon walls ignited public interest to the project. Wow. imagine having to scale these ravines? Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, the cafe is closed. But the souvenir shop is not. Wow. So look, they have jumbo magnets. They're $9, but I feel like these would be the magnets that you could like put together to form the US on like a magnet wall for every state that you travel to. This is the cafe, but they're closed. Let's go take a look around. Ooh. Oh, I love that it's all made of like crystal stuff. Oh wow. Some of this stuff is really beautiful. Zodiac collection, what's that? Oh, stones and crystals and whatnot. These are, I can't stop looking at these little things. These are really pretty. This one is like super duper calling to me. I think it's really pretty. $21, it's a small vase. A blessing bowl. Those are pretty. Oh, this is just what I was looking for, postcards. So, we're 6-pack, $5. Look at these. We started to do this thing where, oh man, I am red. So we started to do this thing where we get postcards from wherever we go, and like I'll either write myself a little postcard, Ronnie might write one, I might write one to Ronnie, but I will also write them to family, and then either send them to family or send them to myself about my trip, and then it's a nice little souvenir. What do you guys collect? Or like, what do you guys get on vacations to take home with you to remember your trip? I personally like postcards, but some people like keychains. Some people like shot glasses. Oh, they got stickers. Look, Area 15, I mean Area 51. And stickers, mini stickers are $3. Medium are $5. No, medium are $4, and the large